Grandpa!
You're recording.
Yes. Grandpa, tell me the story of when you met Grandma.
You've heard it enough.
No, I haven't.
I'll never forget the first time I saw you.
Well, every day, Randy, she runs by at the same exact time. Any ideas how I could impress her? You must have a couple, Randy. 7, 98, 99, 100. Alright, Randy. I think I must have impressed her with all those great ideas that you gave me. They were brilliant. Randy? Randy, where are you? Door's open. Must have gotten out.
It's a beautiful day, Snowball. All I can hear is the birds singing. Today's the day I'm gonna talk to that cute guy. What do you mean? I'm not a chicken. I know. I go by his house every day, but one of these days, I am gonna talk to him. Wish me luck.
Hello? Oh my gosh. You found Randy? Oh, been looking for him for a week. Thank you so much. Just bring him by right now. Yeah, I'm home right now. Just bring him by. Thank you. Oh, Randy's back. Thank you for returning my cat. I was worried sick about him.
It's no big deal, really. I mean, actually, he just ran right up to me. It's almost like he knew me or something.
Yeah, he is a pretty clever cat.
Well, I love cats.
I love cats too. Is there any way I could pay you back for this?
I don't know, maybe take me to dinner?
Sounds like a date.
I remember it like it was just yesterday.
Just think, we never would have met if it wasn't for that dumb cat, Randy.